Welcome everybody. Today we'll be installing Hermes Agent with the newest DeepSeek V4. Let's go. So first you open your terminal, paste command as usual, and now we just wait for the Hermes Agent to be installed. And just like that we have it installed. Because the DeepSeek is very new, we will go into the full setup. So let's see if we can see the DeepSeek. Now you drop your DeepSeek API key. I will delete my key, but for now I use it just for this video. So let's do it. Create the key. Don't worry, I will delete it after this video. Go back to terminal, paste. Okay, saved. And now we have a base URL which is correct. So we'll be using this base URL for DeepSeek. And now it's asking us which model you want. And we'll be installing it with a DeepSeek V4. So I'm just choosing DeepSeek V4. Add another credential for the same provider. No. Keep current TTS, keep current local. Just everything default as it is. I'm just pressing return key. Daily reset hours, 4 AM is fine for me. I will not be installing now Telegram because the goal here is to show you how DeepSeek works with Hermes Agent, so no. Usually I leave it as default, so let's do it. Local browser recommended is free. Self-hosted, use it, chat now. And just like this, you have the DeepSeek V4 installed. Let's say, hey, what can I help you with today? So this is how easy it is to set up Hermes with DeepSeek V4. You just need to choose provider, which is DeepSeek if you are using them, and then you can use directly the DeepSeek V4 model. You can also use Ollama, but Ollama right now is only DeepSeek V4 Flash, doesn't have Pro, so I would like to have a Pro and maybe use Flash as a sub-models. You can watch my other videos, how to install it on OpenClaw, how to make agent teams and everything. I also have entire courses and a free Skool group, so you can use the link below and join my free Skool group where I'm teaching how to use Hermes Agent, how to use OpenClaw, and I have entire course for you free on this group, how to use both of them and how to have entire teams working for you. So see you on next videos or inside my Skool group. See you guys, bye bye.